Go
Hey there, folks. I bought these anchors because I don't know if you noticed it or not, but I am moving, so I need these put on the truck here so I can tie it down. Anyway, I bought them. I find it that you can take this, especially on this application of mine, it fits better without these rubber grommets. So what you have to do is pop this off. There's the hook. Now I just gotta unscrew it a little bit more so it'll fit in here, and goes in on an angle. Oh yeah. Let me check. There you go. See, if it sits in here. Trouble is, that one, apparently somebody messed it up. Okay, let's hope. There we go. Someone screwed up the head.
and stripped it.
Stripped it. See if the other one out there does it, because I've already installed one.
What do you want me to do?
Does it work up easy?
Yeah.
What is this?
No idea.
Oh boy. Oh well. As long as it holds, I don't care. As long as the motorcycle and the other things won't go flying out. I don't care if this sticks up. It doesn't bother me a bit. But anyway, folks, that's how it's installed. Sorry about this being messed up. Would have went in a lot easier. But I got two more yet to do, so I got time. I just needed this put down so I can take my barrels and my
Motorcycle.
and then
Lawnmower.
one lawnmower. Okay, folks, just a quick one here today. Later.